How to install custom rod pocket French door curtain. Follow these simple steps and you'll have it installed in no time. Here are the tools needed for installation. Make sure to prepare them in advance. Okay, let's get started. We'll be using the Milo Cafe curtain rod for this demo. Already have a rod at home? Feel free to skip this part. Thread the rod through the top and bottom pockets of the curtain. Secure the rod to the bracket bases. Neatly arrange the curtain folds. Use the same method to attach the bottom rod. Finish by tying the curtain with the tie back. That's it! Your custom rod pocket French door curtain is all set.